How to open Steam console. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can open Steam console. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. To open up Steam console, what you'll first have to do is exit your current Steam. So if you're on Steam right here, tap on the Steam on the top left, then there you'll find an exit option. Tap on exit, then Steam will shut down. After you've shut down your Steam, you'll need to locate your Steam. Here you can see Steam right here. You can right click on it, and there you'll find properties. Head over to its properties. After you're on the properties, here you'll find the target section. It should be under shortcut. So right here you'll find target. Just give a space, give a dash, type in dev, give another space, give another dash, and type in console. Now after that, tap on apply and then tap on OK. After you've done that, you can then open up your Steam again. What this does is this will simply start your Steam by basically, you're basically your Steam console. So all you have to do is open it up and you should be good to go. Now it can take some time to load up, so just wait for a bit. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And that's it for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.